In this training video, we will be going over Team Leaders Settings. As you can see, we're in the Settings tab and Team Leaders. You will be adding names for your team leaders. This is where you'll do it. And to do that, you'll just click on plus, and you will put in your new team leader, and you'll click OK. And as you can see, Peter was just added alphabetically. You could set this as inactive. Let's say Peter went on vacation and Peter's not available right now. You want to set it back active, you can do that. And where these are going to show up for your team leaders will be in the call report. So right on the call report, you'll be able to see who's handling that job, what team leader. In this case, it's Peter. To your success, and thank you for watching.